Hi there, here we have the 2017 on a 66 plate Audi A1. This is the TFSI Sport 3-door auto. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition this car is offered in. So as you can see, the front bumper, there is no scratches or scuffs. Looking at the bonnet, there is no chips, no dents and no scratches on the bonnet. So everything as it should be. Alloys are nice and clean, there is no scratches and you can see they haven't been curbed, which is nice. It's a nice fresh set of alloys. Just to confirm, it is a one owner from new. Rushmores have done a full service on the vehicle and the new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. Being the TFSI Sport, it does have the rear parking sensors. And as you saw there, there is no scuffs or scratches on the back bumper. RAC Platinum warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover. That's also included within the price of the vehicle. You do have your option to extend the warranty up to 36 months. So this is something we highly recommend at Rushmore's. So if you wanted more information about the warranty, then no problem at all, you can give us a call, or once you come down to the office, we'll definitely give you some options. So as you saw there, exterior in great condition, no dents, no scratches. Let's have a look at the interior as well. So front passenger door, nice and clean. Does have the electric windows. Looking at the dash, as you can see, there is no scratches, no tears. It is half leather seats as well. As you can see, they are nice and clean. It's got the S-tronic gearbox. Back seats nice and clean. It does also have the Isofix for the children at the back, and it is also half leather at the back as well. Nice boot space. Okay, so looking at the driver's side door, usually there would be scratches around the door, especially near the door handle. So that's not the case with this car. It is nice and clean, everything as it should be. As you can see there is the front electric windows as well as the electric heated door mirrors. Just once again, as you can see, the back seats nice and clean, no scratches, no dirt on the seats. It is pet free and smoke free as well, so there is no odours inside the vehicle. So it does have the auto lights. It does come with the paddle shift as well, so you do have the option to change the gears yourself. Multifunctional steering wheel. As you can see there, that's the radio, which can be changed with the buttons here. So if you wanted to go into media, it'll take you to media where you can connect your phone and play the music through YouTube, Spotify, you name it, can be done. You can also connect your phone by making phone calls. So if you're driving and someone gives you a call, you can answer the phone by pressing this steering wheel instead of using your phone. And then also you have the servicing and checks and tire pressure, so that can all be done through the screen. You can check it out. Climate control and aircon. As I said earlier, it's got the S-tronic gearbox, so very nice. Okay, just to recap before we finish off the video, as I said earlier, it is a one owner from new. Rushmore's have done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. There is the RAC Platinum warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, and you do have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months. If there is any finance, if finance needs to be rearranged, then not a problem at all. We can definitely help you with finance. Or if you have any questions on the vehicle, please don't hesitate to give us a call or email us. If email is easier for you, then no problem at all. We can definitely communicate over email. Thanks for watching.